let's use this magic knot technique to join two colours together. This is quite fun, it's secure, and saves a lot of time weaving in ends. So when you're ready to change your colours, just make a snip at the point that you want to, and then let's introduce the new yarn. We're going to line them up together, and we are going to make two knots, one here, one here. So let's take our old yarn, we're going to move it underneath the new colour, make a loop and pull through as a knot. And let's pull that nice and tight. And then same on this side, I'm going to go over, make a loop and pull that through nice and tight. So now we've got those two knots. If we take a hold of each coloured yarn and start to pull, those knots are going to come closer and closer together. That's the fun part. And the tighter you pull, the tighter they're going to lock in together. So they're not going anywhere. Take our scissors and clean it up. Voila! And we have it.